Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to say goodbye to the twin turbo Forester for a little while. It's not really going anywhere, we're just not going to be working on it, so you probably won't see it. We are going to be working on the V35 Skyline, getting it ready for sale. Let's do it. Right, so we're going to get the Forester out and we'll get the Skyline in. This one's got the good battery in it, the Skyline does not. Alright, got my helper here. Gonna get the fuzz started, reverse it in over there, jump start the Skyline. Forester will go over there, and then the Skyline will go in. Is that right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. So I've got my co-driver here. He's gonna help me out. Let's put the master switch on. Don't touch that one. It's gonna be loud, okay? All these gauges are gonna go. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, the car did a fart, didn't it? Easy start. Cool?
I want to see that.
See what? Oh, you want to hold the camera? Maybe not. Not the best for it. Needs to warm up, but we gotta get this done before it gets dark. Cool? Is that your seat? Nah, yours is in the back.
Yeah.
You're too small for the front. Just yet. Maybe one day you'll be driving this car. This will be a forever car.
Yeah, and a bigger one.
You mean you're bigger?
Yeah.
Hopefully it reaches. Alright. There we go. Started! Started! Where are you going? Where are we going? We can't drive this anywhere just yet, mate. Oh, there's lots of mozzies. Oh. You opened it yourself. Come on.
Yeah.
We'll move the Skyline. You want to hop in the Skyline too? Right, let's get in the Skyline, mate. Alright, into the Harrod's garage, the Skyline. Oh, hey, how did you get in here? Alright, let's do a U-turn. What are you doing? Do you miss going in this car? Do you like this car? Or do you like the black Foz more? Because it's got a sunroof. Mate, you're all the way forward, I think. Alright, we are in the garage now. You right? No, too far forward, mate. The battery's flat, so too bad. Time to get out. Out. Me. And jump back in the Forester. Yeah. All warmed up. How about we do? We'll do one last rev. Alright guys, I'm going to do a last rev before stage 2 camps. It's warmed up. Oh no, it wasn't recording. Oh well, it didn't record.
What's that?
That's a tripod, mate. Right, we're going to go inside now because the mozzies are coming out and you're going to get bitten. Yeah?
What's that?
Alright guys, back out in the garage. Now, obviously we need to paint this front bar, but this paint is not very good either. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to like bubble. I could never get this flat. Anyway, whenever I washed it, I hit it pretty hard with a pressure washer. it would start to come up on those little bits. You might be able to see there. So yeah, you can probably see it better this way. The other dots. Yeah. So what? Full respray? I don't know. I'll try to get a picture of the Toyota Pearl I was talking about the other day. And I'm going to try to work out these hinges too, because this is dropped down, this is up, this is popped up a bit. And should I get a black roof? Saw one for sale, a silver one with a black roof. Looked pretty good. It did have a carbon boot as well with a duck bill. Yeah, you can see that, how it's all. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. So maybe back down to metal. We'll do a 2-pack primer and get it all done good. We'll just have to price up some paint because 2-packs a bit more expensive than the single stage that I used. Well, not the single stage, but you know what I mean. It's at 1K acrylic. Maybe what I'll do is I might change these back to black, because that was originally black, and some plastic. Still have the strips over here too that go down here. This isn't in properly. That's because of the battery actually. Spiders. You can see I burnt through here. So yeah. Look, if it's not that expensive to get paint, I don't mind spending some time doing this to get more money for this, because in this current state I'd be lucky to probably get 5 for it. So yeah, like get all these rubbers out, I'll do it properly, you know, clean them up, paint door jambs too. I probably won't get the glasses out, but yeah, you know what I mean. So we also need to get the inner guard sorted and the underbody tray, because that helps stabilize the bar. Yeah, I was thinking of making an intake here, but probably not worth it. I was a while ago going to make a cover for this side to match that side. So these got ripped out when I hit the floodwater, and somebody put a wave in front of me and it ripped the other bar off. Yeah, I need to find a grill. I don't think a grill would fit in there properly because I've put the roof nuts in there, but we need to. This is a fiberglass composite, so should be able to fix that up. There's so much work to do, I don't know where to start. Should take the front bar off. That's a good place to start. Alright, so all the 4 bolts are off. So it's just the wiring for the lights. Alright, so bit of work to do here. Let's see if I can pop that out a bit. I'm going to use my DA and paint some sandpaper on that and smooth that out a bit. Put some filler on there. Obviously get all this off. Alright guys, here's a good one for you. If you know, I have some carbon fibre. Should I do some more carbon fibre? Maybe mirrors. Do the mirrors in carbon fibre. Do that in black. Do the roof in black. I'm not going to lay carbon fibre on that. Yeah. Boot. Wouldn't mind getting a carbon fibre boot. Hang on, I'm selling it. No, I'm just going to paint the boot. I've probably got enough carbon fibre to skin these. Also need to do the interior door handles. I've half done them. These bits need to be done in carbon. So, geez, this battery really is flat, but the windows don't go up and down. So I just hooked up the battery charger. I'm going to disconnect it now because I've got both doors open, so the windows are down. And hopefully they stay down, so we can just open and close. Yep, that's good. I don't mind that. So yeah, I can just hook that up and it'll do it again. As you might have just seen, plate's off, so we'll get this plastic off as well, and maybe not even put that back on. Alright, so we've got a bit of stone chips and whatnot on this. We need to give that a bit of a wash. It looks like oil actually. But yeah, we'll get the DA onto this to rip this down back to plastic. And we'll shoot a primer on this as well as the rest of the car, I guess. Should I keep these in? Should I cut them out? Make it look more like the Nismo one? We'll see how we go. Fixing up this area. If I can't fix that up, I'll somehow get a lip for it. Yeah. Right, so the GoPro wouldn't turn on for a little bit there. Had to take all the media stuff off it. Anyway, I cleaned up that oil that was around there and it's kind of leaked through the paint a bit. So I have sanded that, but you can still see it. So we're going to have to prep that really good. So I've got a 240 disc on the DA and we're ripping into it. Probably spent a couple of minutes playing around. So took out a couple of little chips, but obviously we're going to go right back to the plastic and fill in anything, make it perfect. I'm just going to quickly hit some of this, see if I can clean that up too. Alright, so it's looking better. You can see where the deep scratches are. I think somebody's tried to fill them in. Let's see if I can pop this out with a bit of heat. Alright, so we're going to try to pop that out. Just looking at the other side over there. It is the same flatness all the way down to the bottom. So, I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to zoom in for you. Yeah, we're going to try to achieve that. Whoa. Popped it out. It's looking a bit better. Just going to keep checking that side for reference. Alright, so we're pretty flat there. Maybe a little bit of fill on the other side. There is this line here that needs to get popped back in. So it's still a bit warm. See if we can just massage it. Nope. A little bit more heat onto it. Alright, it's looking a bit better now. Still need to work on this line here. But, yeah, a bit more heat. Well, some of it's just scraped down, so it'll need filling anyway. This bit feels okay. It's this bit here. Keep going back and forth between this side and the other side to make sure it's good. But yeah, getting there. Definitely getting there. Alrighty guys, so last night did an okay job there. We'll come back to that over the weekend. But yeah, I'm going to finish this episode up here. So if you enjoyed this episode and you're pretty keen on what this is going to look like when it's all done, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.